All right. Welcome back from the long weekend, and I hope you had a good one. We are in our first asynchronous class today. Since this is our first class of the week, I'd like to start off by reading the statement of respect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. The Garrison Forest School community is deeply committed to equity, honesty, kindness, and respect as part of the educational experience. To this end, we celebrate diversity both within our community and our curriculum, our concern for the well-being of all people, seek to build the self-esteem of all people, aspire to promote the understanding of all people. We recognize the dignity and worth of all individuals, protect their rights. We confront bias, prejudice, and discrimination. Garrison Forest School does not condone any behavior which is inconsistent with these tenets. We believe that it is unacceptable for our spoken and written language and behavior to demean anyone's physical characteristics, as well as anyone's ethnic, gender, personal, racial, religious, or sexual identities. We as individuals must take responsibility for our words and deeds and respect all people. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through what you need to do for today for engineering and design. First, you should be watching this video, and then I'm going to kind of look at the objective that's below there. It says that the students will be able to describe the evolution of audio technology, interesting, by synthesizing information. So you're going to take information from a bunch of different sources and pull it together to talk about this idea that audio technology has evolved over time. And so we're going to get information from various sources, and in order to see how technologies gradually change to meet users' needs over time. So a principle in engineering is that you keep the end user in mind, and that it is their needs that are driving the changes that you make. All right, so what happens next here is you're going to go to this introduction tab, and there is literally a series of 6 videos. I want you to watch each of those, take in what it has to say, think it through, okay? After you do that, you're going to go down to the practice tab here. That practice tab has in there a Google Doc where you're going to be asked to make a timeline that shows the evolution of audio technology. You're going to paste that in there, and you're going to submit it underneath that tab. It's only going to be graded for completion, so it's whether you finish it or not, that kind of thinking. After that, you're going to find the summary video, so you're going to click on that next summary tab, and there's going to be a video kind of like this one, but it's going to summarize the lesson, and then it's going to talk about how do you do the formative assessment, and what do you have for homework for tonight. All right, so those are your basic steps. Watch the 6 videos in the instruction piece, read the or do the timeline activity in the practice piece, watch the summary video, and then we'll get to the formative assessment and homework from there. All right, thank you.